Okay folks, just going to show you how in Google Earth to create a polygon that you can then share. I'm going to do this in the web version of Google Earth, so that's earth.google.com, and if you're using Chrome or something where you're logged into your Google account, you'll see that you're logged in there and who you're signed in as. That's going to be important. What I can do here is go straight to some of the drawing tools, add path or polygon, and I can just start making a little polygon. That gets in the way. So let's do this. So I'm just using the right mouse, and the difference between a polygon and a polygon is just when you close it off like that as a shape. You could save this to a project. It will let you do a variety of things. I'm just going to save mine to my Google Drive, and then it's asking us what we want to call this, and I'm going to say my proposed project area. You can change the opacity. For example, you could go to 50% or 25. You could change that this is yellow, just like that, whatever you want. You can also add a description. So this is where I plan to work for my L2BR project. And you can even, if you have links to some more information that you want to provide right there, you could provide those, so HTTPS for example, or link to something else in that project. I'm going to go ahead and hit view, and so there it is. It's within a untitled project, and I can call this, my potential riverscapes, for example. Places I may work, whatever you want. And then the next step is you could share that. And so you could say, I want to share this, and what you'll need to make sure is that you change it to anyone with the link, and you copy that link, and then you are ready to go ahead and share. If you want to keep watching and you're doing this for a Canvas assignment, I will show you how to do that. So for the first part, I'm going to just do this in a discussion board. Of course, you can share this link that you just created in an email or anywhere. So you can obviously just paste that link. Now I'm going to do this, and notice when I do that, the link's not clickable, right? It's a little bit annoying. So what I can do instead is I can paste that if that's what I want it to appear. Say, I made a map here, and then I could change this to external link, and then paste that same link, and then that will make it clickable. Of course, you can also just do it as a regular hyperlink. Control K also brings up in most editors the same thing, and then boom, there's your map. Okay, and so then that's kind of nice for people because they click on that and takes them from where they are to whatever you drew. Okay, my potential riverscape. So that's kind of nice. I will show you one other thing. So if you want to embed a map, you can't do that from the current version of Google Earth, to my knowledge. You may be able to, but one thing you can do is you can export this as a KML file. And if I just dump that in my desktop, and then you can go to make an embedded map with using MyMaps. And so this is, if you just do a Google search for MyMaps, Google, it'll take you there. It's google.com/MyMaps. You can create a new map, and in it you can import, and you could drive to wherever you blah blah blah. And so notice now I've got this map here. I give this a name, my imported riverscapes, and there it is. Now, if I want to change the default base maps, so for example, it was terrain like this. There's, I can do stuff in here as well. But one of the things that's kind of nice is you can share this. This is similar to how we shared the other. So you could say I made a Google Earth map here, and you can say I made a Google MyMaps here, okay? And remember, I can either use the button or I can use Control K, and I'm bringing in that MyMaps. But one of the cool features that you have from MyMaps is this ability to embed onto your site. And so you can hit embed onto my site. That gives you this little iframe. Okay. And we'll just go back to our post. The nice thing about MyMaps, whoops, is you can embed it easily. And so in any of these little what you see, what you get editors on Canvas, for example, and many websites have this, they'll have some embed code where you can actually copy that iframe with. And so I'm just going to put that straight in right there. And then voila, that's your stuff. So go ahead and hit done. And then boom. Now you've got a way that stuff's embedded really easily. Okay, hopefully that's useful.